Hey everyone, it's Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team, and today we're going to tour our newest home for sale at 219 Rutten Terrace in Cobourg. Let's get inside and take a look. This detached bungalow is located in the heart of Cobourg, close to all of the beautiful amenities. The upstairs living room has a cozy fireplace, perfect for family nights in. Your bright and spacious kitchen has room for a full dining room table and overlooks your gorgeous backyard. Your primary bedroom features a large closet as well as an ensuite. Go check out the second bedroom and then we'll go look at the third in the basement. Downstairs we have the third bedroom with a large window. Outside of there we have another living space with a fireplace. Thanks so much for staying till the end of our tour of 219 Rutten Terrace in Cobourg. Again, it's Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team. If this home caught your eye, give the number above a call to book your private tour, and as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest homes for sale.